Open the door. You know me.
Say no more, man.
Is my
I
wife
got
in
you.
there?
I got you.
Come answer your door.
Come
Get some
outside.
shit with big shit.
Come outside.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Are you taking that?
Huh?
Are you taking this?
No, we're delivering it.
No, it's not yours.
Delivering it.
This guy knocks on this lady's door, but when she answers, he doesn't say anything. He's dressed in all black, so I'm pretty sure he's up to no good.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, hello. What's up? What's up?
Hello?
Yeah, what up? Yeah, what's
Open it
up?
up. No, man.
Hello?
No.
Hey, yo,
Open.
what you doing ringing my
What?
bell? What's
What?
up? What you doing ringing my bell? Hello? Hey, Shorty. 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 What could you doing ringing my bell?
Check this guy out. He's going door to door looking for his wife.
What you want, bro? What you want?
Is Rain here?
Who?
Okay, thank you.
Yo, nobody's there. Nobody's there. Don't even knock on the door, bro.
Man,
Yeah, keep it. Yo, you got a
I'm
knife, bro?
coming to the
Yo, you
bed.
got a knife? Yo,
Hold on a second. You know me. You know what I look like.
you got a knife, bro?
Open the door. You know me.
Say no more, man.
Is my
I
wife
got
in
you.
there? Cause
I
I'll
got
kill a
you.
bitch right now. Give you a show.
Hello? Stop. What is you doing? No, ma'am. You need to go ahead and find you something to do and put my mail back. I'm looking at you. Go on down the street, ma'am. But I'm about to call the police. Put my mail back. Go. Bye-bye. See you later. No, go. No. Don't come on my porch. Bye. Go ahead. Because I'm finna call the police. Let me call the
That
police.
mail back. Put that mail back.
Ma'am, do not come on my porch. Get off my porch.
Put that mail back.
Put my mail back.
I'm
Put that
calling the
mail down.
police.
It's not yours.
This guy thinks he got away with another package theft, but really it's a decoy. And the owner has a few kind words for him.
Excuse me, dude. Do you realize you just stole a decoy off my porch? Read what it say, stupid. Read what the box say, stupid. You dumb motherfucker.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
My fucking package back, bitch. Put it back. She stole my box. Yo. She just
Hey, my fucking back, bitch.
Can I help you?
Yeah,
You're at the wrong house, dude.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Isn't the TV show?
No, you're at the wrong house.
Put it back, please. Thank you. Put it back. Thank you.
Please make sure you install your doorbell camera properly, just so it won't be stolen. These people seem to hate surveillance.
Hold on, let me. Boom.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Why you can't answer the door?
Come answer your door.
Come outside.
Shit with big shit.
Come outside. Boom. You going in the water now?
Not good, and you don't do this when you're knocking on someone's door. Go away! Go!
This guy comes onto this porch kind of confused, not sure if it's the language barrier, but we're not sure what his intentions are.
Yo, it's 5 in the morning. What are you doing here? Hello?
Hello?
It's 5 in the morning.
Yes, this is 5 in the morning.
Yeah, why you want that?
Sorry, I speak English also. Paraíso en Salazar.
What's up?
Yes, please, I need help.
You need help?
We need going to... Oh my God.
Do you want us to call the police to help you?
No worries, no worries. It's okay, no worries. No worries. I speak English also.
This dog lets this burglar come through this window. Surprised he didn't try to bite him or something. Don't forget to double check those doors. Also, don't leave any valuables or personal information in your vehicle.
Hey, can I help you? Don't worry, you got called, my guy.
With access to all these shoes, she's either going to start bringing a friend or start selling them.
Hello. Hi. Uh-oh, scared me. I'm so sorry. I'm the young lady that stay over there in the car. Remember I came here last time.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey.
Right.
Don't forget to lock those bikes up or place them inside.
And said what? What? What'd he tell you? You gotta open the back.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.